Let's look at an example. A lot of times when you find yourself in this situation where you need to get creative, you're probably going to need to scrape data from a website. In my experience, this is most often the case when the data is provided by a government agency of some kind, or maybe a small grassroots organization. In this case, the example I'd like to look at is from the U.S. Bureau of Transportation Statistics. So imagine we have a need for, among other things, to get statistics on how many flights individual carriers have to and from the airports in the United States. Okay, now this particular page provides us with a way of getting at that type of flight data. That is, how many flights, say Virgin Atlantic, has into and out of Boston Logan Airport. But in order to get it, we have to go through a lot of work and a lot of manual effort if we want to pull all the data for all the carriers. So this is a great example of a situation where we would programmatically deal with this problem. Okay, now I've got this zoomed in big enough so that we can see what's on the page, and as a result the layout is falling apart a little bit, so bear with that. So let's take a look at how we would use this site. Now right now, this is providing for us the number of domestic and international flights for all carriers, US and foreign, with a destination of any airport. So if I want to get just the data for Virgin America and all of the flights for Virgin into Logan Airport in Boston, I can make those selections and click Submit. And here we have just that data.